Alright, so now I'm going in with Igelbeauty Nude Bar, and again I'm showing you that I'm applying it from the tip to the base, and then I'm gonna layer about one coat for them from the tip to the base, and then I'm gonna go in from the base to the tip. And so I'm showing you here on both set of nails for each hand, because I want to make sure that I align the design up with where it's supposed to go and that they match, kind of, even though most of the time they're not going to always match. But here you see now where I'm showing you the base going from the base to the tip, and laying that second coat again, just giving it that even consistency on both nails, and just kind of show this is the normal routine of laying that base color and getting that desired opaque look that I like for the nails. And so now we're going to go in and start doing our swirl design. It's just whatever way you want to do it. I'm going to again go from the left to the right of each nail, doing different swirl patterns on each nail, kind of showing you that I'm taking little light strokes to fill it in, making sure I have enough liquid polish saturated on my brush to do an even coat of that, and then just kind of filling in any imperfections, getting as close as I can, and filling all of that out. And so again, you see I bring in the second set of nails to make sure I kind of get that swirl pattern to look just the same as the one I've already completed. So yeah, you're just gonna see me, I'll let you watch and just see me just go through the different swirl patterns and designs that I create, and just trying to get the desired look. This was a very challenging design for me, just because I didn't know where I was going with it. I knew I wanted to use figure out how to do that little 3D chrome looking effect. So you'll see as I go through the process of making these nails how they come to life. Again, I'm just going to say nails is a free for all, where any mistake that you make can always turn into something beautiful, and that it's also even with something in life we could take with that, is that all of our mistakes can turn out to be something beautiful later on in life. But here you see I'm going to go in and just again applying that color, filling it in, and making sure I get the desired swirl look that I want. So yeah, I will let you all watch, and then I will be back for more tips. I just wanna know if you my friend. I just wanna know if you pretending. I know I've been away. I'm just trying to get my mind straight. Don't let it go, let it go. Don't let it slip away. First touch, get left in the dust. No room to judge. Talking business, no trust. Lips, first touch, get left in the dust. No room to judge. So tonight you should go and take a chance with her. She could be everything you wanted, boy. Don't let. Whoa, whoa, yeah. Sometimes we laugh and sometimes we cry, but I guess you know now, baby. I took a half and she took the whole thing. Slow down, baby. We took a trip, now we on your block, and it's like a ghost town. Okay, so right here you see where I kind of went too high with the swirl design, and so I was like, I didn't really like it, and I was trying to cut it in the middle, but that wasn't gonna work. So I had to take some acetone and wipe off that gel polish, and as you can see here, start over again with making that swirl pattern. And I like the way this one turned out, so that's the one we're gonna keep. So again, you can always erase your mistakes because gel polish does not set automatically. You have to put it cure it in the light in order for it to set, so that's also a plus. Okay, here I am going to be going in with the Makartt Rhinestone gel, and I started out using that brush, but then I had to automatically switch over to just squeezing it out of the tube because trying to do it in the brush wasn't coming out the way I wanted to. And again, this was my first time trying to use this and get my feel for this gel and see how it will, if this would work. Again, just experimenting and trying to have fun and see what you come up with. Nails to me is like makeup. You can use a lot of things to create a lot of different things. Like this is just not to hold rhinestones. This also could be made to use, to make these little 3D nails. And so it's just all about using what you have and learning your products, knowing what they're capable of doing. So yeah, we achieved it with that, and so you're just gonna see me continue to outline the different swirl designs to give it that 3D effect. Now I'm going to be putting top coat on it. So this is where now we're going to get into trying to make the iridescent chrome effect. And so now we're going to put that base layer of that top of the top coat on there. We're going to cure it in the light, and then once it is done curing in the light, I am going to go in with that iridescent powder and spread it all over the 3D effect as well as the nail polish to give it a pearlized look. Powder is just a no name powder. I literally just picked it up from my local nail supply store. And yeah, so I don't know why I thought this was gonna come out like a bold silver, because this was not supposed to be a bold silver. It's just supposed to be like a pearlized iridescent look. But I do like the way it came out. It turned out really pretty. Another thing, when it comes to dusting that away, you need a very stiff like brush. And I had like a powder brush where it like expanded, but you need a very stiff like brush. But you're gonna take that makeup applicator and just spread it all over the pink as well as the 3D mold, and it gives you that really pretty pearlized iridescent look. So it turned out really pretty. Again, I'm just learning to work with the different things, and just know how to go back in and fix it. So again, experiment with your products and enjoy the process. Now adding top coat to give it that glossy shine effect on the base of the nail and on the tip to seal in that chrome look. And this is how it's gonna turn out for those nails. Just kind of make sure I clean it up going around the edges. And yeah, it was fun creating this. It was like, again, I'm always like a trust the process and see what you come up with. And I really like this. It turned out really pretty, very nice. I think it would be very cute on nails. I'm a very almond oval shaped girl. Stiletto square is not my favorite, but I do, attempt to tackle it because square is also as popular as almond and olive shaped nails. So they turned out really cute. And pink is also my favorite color. So yes, I'm gonna rock them and see how I like them on. Now I'm just going in and refiling the tip, just trying to get a crisp square end, just in case any of that polish, went over the edge, and then get rid of that point on the end of the nail. Just kind of cleaning it up and giving it its shape, bringing some of its shape back. Even when you do acrylic nails, gel polish will always alter the shape of your nail, so you always want to make sure you go back and refile the nail. And this file is an 80/80 grit file. I love it, but my favorite one honestly is a 100 grit file for nails. It just, to me, gives me the most crisp acrylic shape and nail shape for all the nails I do. And so, yes, here's the final look. I hope you all enjoy. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and come back for more nail content. We are just getting started. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next one.